welcome back to another Christmas Patooties episode. This video is all about this cute little snowman, and I've got to give a shout out to my girl Lindsay Foster, Pookie the Clown. She saw my gingerbread man tutorial that I came up with, and then she posted a picture of like a bunch of characters she came up with based on that design, which I was like, no, I'm doing a series. But she did a snowman, and I was like, I didn't think a snowman would look right, but when I saw hers I was like, oh yeah, it totally does. So this is a Holly Nicole George Pookie inspired snowman that I hope you guys really like, and it's only 3 balloons, super fast, all 260s. I know a lot of snowman designs use rounds and things like that, and a lot of my viewers just have 260s, so this is especially good for you guys. So we're going to start off with the hat, which is a black 260. It doesn't really matter on the tail, so I'm going to twist off about a 2.5–3 inch bubble, and you're going to do a small pinch twist, just a small one, okay, like that. Now you're going to take your white 260, and this we've inflated to a 3 to 4 inch tail. Really specific there. And you're going to take the nozzle of your white, and we're going to twist it into our pinch twist, nice and snug. Okay, so you've got your black with pinch twist on one side, and the rest of the black is coming out the other side of your white balloon. And we're going to squeeze it. We're going to do a small round bubble to be a spacer bubble, and we're going to do another small round bubble to be a pinch twist. So this is going to be a pinch twist like that, and now we're going to bring our balloon up like this, and we're going to squeeze it and wrap it around all of that so it comes back to the pinch twist in the back here. We're just going to twist it right in there. And this is the hat for your snowman. That's it for the hat. Okay, so we're done with the black. You can get rid of it. And I do tie these off just because there's not a lot of things to tuck it into to secure it. So here we go, and make sure to cut off this nozzle on the hat so it looks prettier. Okay, so there is the hat for your snowman. Now you're going to come down however big you want his head to be and make a twist. And now we're going to do the gingerbread body. So about a 4 inch bubble, bring it back up, and then twist those together. And now we're going to do the 4 bubbles. Actually on this one, it's a little bit different on this guy. We're going to do his arms longer. So about a 3 inch bubble on the arms, and then for the feet, they're just going to be short bubbles like that. Okay, so another short bubble, and then a longer bubble for the other arm. All right, so we got poodle legs, and we're going to twist all that together. And now when you bring this down over his body, that is what you've got. Super cute. Face his hat right. Okay, and we're done with the white, so you can get rid of white and tuck that down into the body to secure it. And there we go. That is the little snowman body. It's so cute, but he's really not finished without a scarf. So grab yourself a 160, whatever color. I'm going to use blue on this one because we've got a lot of red and green going on. I wanted a different color. So I'm going to do just a 1.5 to 2 inch bubble, and then a pinch twist. I'm going to squeeze this out. We're going to place the pinch twist off to the side, wrap the blue around his head, and twist it back into that pinch twist. Like that. And then cut off another tail for the scarf. It's about the same size as this one. Of your 160, tie it off. And then you probably want to clean up the ends of your scarves as well. Make it really cute. Okay, so that is the snowman body. Isn't that so cute? You guys, give a shout out to Lindsay because I didn't think the snowman would be cute, but she proved me wrong. Okay, for some reason on Snowman, I like to do pink cheeks, so I've got my pink marker. And the artwork is just like what we've been doing for everything else in this video series. So we're doing 2 pink circles for the cheeks. And that's it for the pink, I think. All right, we're gonna do the black, the big eyes that are overlapping the cheeks. Okay. And another one on the other side. Here we go. And don't forget the eyebrows. And then for the mouth on this guy, I'm just gonna do small circles. Because, you know, it's like made out of coal type thing. And then I'm going to do 3 buttons down the front of the belly. Okay, you guys see how totally cute this is? All right, so we're done with the black. For snowmen, you got to have orange around. Just keep orange around for the snowmen. And on the carrot nose, this might be kind of hard to show, I did a squiggly line, and then I'm going to connect it like that. Okay, and then fill it in. So it's like a teardrop shape, and this is honestly probably the most difficult thing to draw in this whole video series, is the snowman nose. All right, so there's his nose, and we're gonna fill in, well, not fill in, but we're just gonna draw the highlights on his eyes. So just put him off to one corner, just like that. And same thing for the other eye. Ta-da! Do you guys see this? How cute this snowman is. Oh my gosh, makes me just, my brain just wants to explode. Okay, so all 260s and 160 for this snowman. Super cute, super fast, great for line work. I hope you guys enjoy this one. I can't wait to hear your thoughts and see your pictures, and then I'll meet you over in the next video. Bye.